As you come out of the port, you get your tourist map at the tourist information desk.
This is the Port Bazaar. 2 minutes you are in city center. Everything is so close here. If you feel like going to the right, you got 7 minutes away the fortress. It's free to enter.
Right.
And if you turn to the left, you got Yacht Marina, 15 minutes away, walking distance. And over here you can take some nice photos. You know, vacation is a serious issue, so you need memories.
Thank you, Salam. They say turn left to spend more money. Almost opposite the ship, if you turn right just past the bank, is the old Town Bazaar, famous for its genuine fakes. And if you turn left from the ship, there are plenty of beaches where you can swim. But if you want the best beach, it's Ladies' Beach, and it's beyond the castle the other way. Two doves.
After Ottoman Empire, he made the modern Turkey, 1923.
Right.
Before 1923, the name of the country was Ottoman Empire. But 1923, he made modern Turkey.
Selim was right, the castle's really close. The causeway is quite new and has become a pier for pleasure boats. Here you get your boat trips. Entrance is free. This Pigeon Island fort was a naval base protecting these shores during Byzantine and Ottoman times. Kusadasi derives its name from Pigeon Island, and it looks like lots of pigeons live here. The walls of the castle were built in 1860, and the rest of the castle was restored quite recently, about 2015. Albert, the magician, has taught me to see through locked doors. This is Barbaros Heredin Pasha, one of the most renowned figures in the Ottoman Empire. The castle's beautifully kept, and there are explanations of the flora and fauna all the way around, which I think is a nice touch. So it's 7 minutes to walk here, 7 minutes to walk back, about 45 minutes to leisurely stroll round. It's free to get in, probably worth a visit, not much time out of your day, and worth it if only for the views. Unfortunately, it's not wheelchair friendly and there are lots of steps, but there are plenty of benches to rest on. The caravanserai is another landmark of the city, and it sits right opposite the port. The caravanserai is in the middle of the city and was constructed by the Grand Vizier in 1618. This is the Neopolis Sculpture Symposium, and it was created to build a bridge between the past and the present in the city, and it's really beautiful. The Peace Monument. Beautiful monument. The Archaeo Park is a great way to get kids interested in archaeology.
Please see our film on the Ephesus Museum and the sites of Ephesus. We also have a great film on Troy in Trinakili. Plus, we'll show you where to find the amphitheatre in Bodrum, where you'll be able to walk around completely free and probably by yourself. We have many ports all over the Mediterranean, from Greece and Turkey, Cyprus, Malta, Crete, Italy, Spain, France, everywhere. Please join Doris Visits, subscribe and follow us on Facebook.
This is the Archaeological Museum at Ephesus, and we're just going to have a look round.
Please see our film on the Ephesus Museum.
This is a model of the Temple of Artemis. It was one of the 7 wonders of the world. This is a statue of Artemis from the 1st century. We've just seen the model in the museum, and this is the remains of the Temple of Artemis. So behind me are the ruins of the Temple of Artemis, which was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world until it was destroyed by fire. And you can see they've recreated one of the pillars there, and now a stork is resting on the top.
If you want to know about a certain port, just search Doris visits, then the name of the port. For example, if you want to know about Bodrum in Turkey, search Doris visits Bodrum. See what happens.